So what is this location called?
This should be the Trail to Crow Pass.
Trail to Crow Pass, okay. And how high we are right now? How many feet?
You know, just put it.
2,400 feet.
3,200.
3,200 feet.
Way higher.
Wow.
I was thinking the top of the pass was only about 30.
Yeah, well, it's not much higher. I mean, we go up here a little bit, and then we go across, and we go across. We don't go much higher than this. 200 feet. Yeah, we go up.
A couple, like, at least 700 feet yet, and then 500 feet. And then at the end, you're steadily going up, and I don't know, you probably only be in that last mile and a half. So if you're going up to the Glacier over there, probably only gaining another.
Well, just look at this. That much of out from under it. Could be really high. Well, the GPS one says 3,100 feet.
31.
Well, maybe I'm just getting snowboard, but I see a little blueness to the side of it.
Now it's getting windy. Feeling the wind.
How are you doing with just the sneeze on?
Yeah, so far I'm okay. As I said, I didn't prepare to come here. But since I'm here, I must come up.
You got a little bit of the bear went over the mountain syndrome too, huh?
Yeah.
This one's really bad. We could be in Eagle River at the end of this walk.
Okay, well, all you can see down, just starting to see down the valley.
Woo.